Right, we have a 26-inch Samsung LCD television. Problem seems to be that when it's plugged in and you go to power on, the red light comes on, hit the power button and nothing happens. So this is more than likely a problem with the power board and some capacitors on the power board. We'll open it up and we'll have a look at it and see what this problem is. Okay. I have the back taken off this television now and I'm into the power supply board. Visual inspection, there was no bulged capacitors and no burnt marks anywhere on the board. So I done some voltage checks and I found that the 24 volt and 13 volt supply lines which this board produces were fluctuating up and down. So I came back to this integrated power switch, which is this black guy here, and I've done a little search online there for it and I got the pin out configuration of it, and I checked the LVCC pin and found that the voltage there also was fluctuating up and down. So that brought me back to the capacitors which were feeding that, and this is one of them here, this grey one here. This is the replacement one because I've had this board out already. I've done my checks and I've replaced this capacitor. Basically the one that was in it was this white guy, the typical ones of Samsung boards, and it's a 183J. I'm very sorry about my camera, it just won't focus for me, but it's a 183J, so it's an 18 nanofarad 630 volt capacitor. So I put it into the LCR meter. This is the bad one that came out of it, and it should be 18 nanofarads and we're only getting 11.5 picofarads, so there's obviously something very wrong with that. So I had these grey ones already, same thing again, 183J, 630 volts, and when you plug this into your LCR, getting 18 nanofarads. So that's what our white one should be producing, and it's not. So I put the grey one in, and my next job now is to get this television up and run some power to it and see will it turn on. So I'll be back in a few minutes to do that. I have this TV standing up now. I have power running into it. As you can see, it's still the same board. So we'll run around to the front here now. And we're back to standby light, and we're going to hit the power switch now and try and turn it on. Okay, and it's powering up. And we have picture. That's it, very good. So that was it. So that was a good little find. One little capacitor. As we said, it's the 183J, it's a 630 volt. The white one is the bad one, I replaced it for this grey one. Board marking is CM808 is the location of that capacitor. And you'll probably buy one of those capacitors for maybe around €1 or €2, maybe a bit of shipping cost depending on where you buy it from. And you'd have your TV repaired. So that's it. So thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.